good evening, everyone. It really is a pleasure to see all of you here once again, especially in the full 90s fashion. Some of you really truly brought us back in time.
It's time to party!
To kick off today's celebration, where dreams fly. Magandang buhay sa lahat ng mga batang 90s!
Good evening, everyone. We're starting to roll out piece of fares. Many of the products and systems we now take for granted were still evolving and design.
May I please invite everyone to stand and raise their glasses and celebrate this with a toast. To our Cebu Pacific family, to 30 years of Cebu Pacific, cheers!
Tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
Superman!
Welcome to Bacolod. Thank you for flying with us.